Hi everybody, it's me, the Ukulady. Here's a brand new song called Airplane Unicorn. It's just another unicorn tapping on my airplane window. Oh, pink hoof prints in an oval over SFO or wherever unicorns congregate. Wait for me, unicorn. I saw a unicorn. You saw a corn dog stand. I can't stand snacks on sticks unless they're pixie sticks, crafted by real fairy folk who appear in rainbow smoke, but not the kind that's bad for you. It's just another unicorn tapping on my airplane window. Oh, pink hoof prints in an oval over Tokyo or wherever unicorns congregate. Wait for me, unicorn. I saw a Pegasus. You saw a pretty young miss. I can't believe you missed the mythic beast. Maybe you need spectacles or your eyeballs just don't work. They're overrated anyway. It's just another unicorn tapping on my airplane window. Oh, pink hoof prints in an oval over Flea Blush Slow or wherever unicorns congregate. Wait for me, unicorn. Do you see what I see? Do you think I'm crazy? Maybe it's the Kool-Aid to raid the cookie jar and join the marching madness. The joyous seahorse swim test is given twice a week. If you entertain the sad ones, forgive the bad ones. The largest slice of pie tastes better shared with friends. It's just another unicorn tapping on my airplane window. Oh, pink hoof prints in an oval over Lorgleshligo or wherever unicorns congregate. Wait for me, unicorn. Press the button.